Are you looking for a side hustle that's fun and profitable? Or maybe you're frustrated at your current job and looking for a way out? Well, then it's your lucky day, as I'm going to show you a little hustle we like to call flipping. And no, I'm not talking about houses. Maybe you've heard of flipping, or maybe you're completely new to it. Either way, there's something for everyone. Regardless of your experience level, there are all kinds of challenges to flipping. If you're new, maybe you have the fear of the unknown, or maybe you just don't have a clue about how to get started. If you have experience, then you know some of the struggles that can come up. Well, I'm here to not only give you the basics, but I'm here to help you cut straight through all the issues that keep most people from being a successful flipper. A good example is the 4 pillars of flipping you'll see below. Not only am I going to provide you with the info to get started, but I've created a mobile app that is a flipper's best friend. Don't stop listening now, the fun's about to begin. Hi, my name is Steve Hitson, and since 2010, I've managed to flip over $4 million of products through online markets. Most of that time, I spent learning a lot of hard lessons and using the tools that just didn't get the job done very efficiently. I decided to put everything I knew into helping others achieve the same or better results while I continued flipping myself, as I truly enjoy it. It feels like a treasure hunt, especially when you find those diamonds in the rough. Here are just a few of my happy customers who took my course.
My name is Derek Fowler. I have started and ran several successful businesses from ground up, one of which I recently sold, was doing over $2 million a year. And nothing has been as quick and easy and with a return on investment like Pro Flippers. Steve has done a tremendous job with his videos and makes it easy and fast to start making money.
Thank you, Steve. After watching your course, I was able to make my first flip and make $600. Wouldn't have been possible without you.
Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Brian. I just want to give you some little insight on the Pro Flippers course. I started about 5 weeks ago, decided I wanted to make a little extra income, and decided I was going to start flipping, but it was kind of a hard start. So I searched the web to see if I could find anything that would help me out, and stumbled across one of Steve's videos. So I hit him up. He had a little course, and I signed up for it. And basically what it did was took what I knew, plus a whole lot more that I didn't. So I've been going 5 weeks strong now. I started with nothing, like Steve's course said. And I'm up to about $5,200 right now, which has allowed me to start buying bigger items. And I would never have thought about that unless I got a hold of Steve. Thanks, Steve, by the way.
All right, guys. So there's $500 off of $200 for the flip that Steve Henson motivated me to go do. I literally spoke with him. He said, time and opportunity. And I did exactly what he said. Made myself a $300 profit. Pretty excited about it. Can't beat that. And I even had my boy guide me over here. He came and picked me up. I had to make that drive, but for $300 profit, it took me about, how long did it take? About 15, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
About 15, 20 minutes. And then I put about 5 minutes in posting the ad. Yeah, you can't beat that. All right, guys, go get that money.
As you can see, these people are real flippers who followed the training I shared with them and got real results. I decided the only way I could really understand the pains of starting to flip again was set myself a challenge. That's how my 10K challenge began. In May of 2020, I started flipping from literally nothing, a $0 bankroll flipping free items and things I had laying around the house to see if I could make 10K in 90 days or less. It was an amazing experience, and I'll be honest, it took me 91 days to complete, but that was with only 140 hours of working. That's over $80 an hour as a part-time side hustle. While going through the challenge, I met my now business partner, Craig Crawford, and he decided to jump in on the challenge as well. He did even better than me, and you can check out his results below this video. Through all the flipping we did, the one thing we realized was the tools available to make this more efficient were few and far between. Nothing had everything we needed either, so we were forced to jump around in different apps to get the job done while on the go. We decided it was time to come up with our own solution, so the Pro Flippers Listing Assistant was born. The Pro Flippers Listing Assistant streamlines the flipping process by allowing you to create one listing and push it out to all the popular marketplaces at once, including eBay, Etsy, Bonanza, and WooCommerce. We have Shopify that will be ready before the end of June, then Amazon and Alibaba coming right behind it. We call this the multi-listing feature, and it's by far the biggest time saver, being able to get your product to market the fastest way possible. We've also added the social poster feature, which allow you to push your products out to your favorite social media sites, such as Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Next, you can do quick research when buying products by simply scanning the barcode, which searches our database of over 250 million records, growing by over 100,000 per day. And don't worry, if your products don't have barcodes, the multi-listing feature will still work for you. Also, for those products that you are able to scan, we have the ability to import all the details into a listing automatically. This includes the title, description, category, price, and even a stock photo. This works great for retail arbitrage and wholesale products, which we teach you how to acquire in our trainings. Finally, once your item is sold and is ready to ship, we've integrated Shippo into the app so that you can quickly get your shipping done at amazingly discounted prices. Oh, and I almost forgot. We have a bunch of other cool mini tools in the app, such as a collage maker, calculator, reminders, and a torch to help you as well. You'll also receive basic app and flipping training from right inside the app, along with 24/7 support, so you're never alone. So, I'm sure at this point you're asking yourself, Steve, this is all great, but what do I do next? You need to act now on the amazing offer below while it still lasts and start your own 10K challenge today. Don't forget to also join our awesome Pro Flippers Community Facebook group, where you'll have direct access to help from me, along with the amazing like-minded flippers also going through their own 10K journey. Hit the button below now, or keep scrolling to find out more.